number shape. Because an accurate calibration is critical when using oscilloscope to diagnose fault in circuit. Wrong reading can lead to incorrect conclusion.
I'm Alisha and I'm going to explain the safety precautions for handling an oscilloscope. So first, read the oscilloscope manual to understand its function, limits and safe operating procedures. Then, check the probe ratings, use proper grounding and also avoid measuring high voltage without isolating.
My name is Najwa and I will show you the battery cable and connector. This is the probe for oscilloscope and this is the cable for function generator. Okay. The function generator is used to simulate signal in electronic circuit and system. It helps us to respond and component device and circuit under various input conditions. Look at this. This is an oscilloscope probe. This is the connection. This is used to connect the signal you want to measure to the oscilloscope. The pointer tip is for touching the test point like a wire or circuit. And this, the clip, that wire, is the ground which should be connected to circuit ground. This type of probe often supplied 1 times to 10 times for additional control.